Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys have probably already seen my unboxing and all of the other collections. This pile here is basically the part of the spring release that isn't part of any specific collection. So I will show you guys what the Happy Planner have sent me, as well as, you know, flip throughs through all of these planners. Ooh, so exciting. All right, let's get started. First planner that I have here, I believe, is a seasonal mini horizontal. And look at those yellow plastic discs. Those are really cute. So I remember when the Happy Planner first brought out the mini, it was always in a horizontal. Ooh, I like that. That's definitely a different type of cover page. So name here. So name is making amazing plans. Really different for a cover. So you've got the year at a glance. And again, this is a 12-month planner that starts in July and goes until June 2022. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying that. And okay, so July, be cool. And it's a very neutral currently page. But look at that blue foil. And then a very neutral month. Very neutral in here. I like that. Although I'm not a big fan of this box, I do like the neutral. Oh, the page got folded wrong there. Then August. I think the months and the weeks are going to look exactly the same, so I won't flip through every single page. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. I like that. And then September, I like the colors of that. It reminds me of the colors in Squad Goals, actually. October, look at all of those. I like the color scheme with the pink and the orange and the black. November, make some magic. That is adorable. I love the blue foil on that. I love the whole color scheme for December. It's a great color tone. January, the yellow. I'm a big fan of that yellow. Is that a bra? Or lingerie? Wow. Racy. And then March, very simple with the rainbows, but I like that. April with spring. All of the sunglasses for May. And out of office for June. I wish I was out of office in June. All right, and then the very last page. There we go. So the dividers in here are quite colorful, but the main pages inside are very neutral. So that is the mini horizontal. And then we have, sorry about the glare here, this is the 18-month monthly layout, and it's a classic size. You've got the gold plastic discs, and on the front it says, even the stars admire you. So a monthly layout, guys. We didn't have one in the fall release, and I know so many of you guys wanted a monthly layout. So here it is. And there's the cover page, year at a glance. And those, I love these for jotting down things like birthdays. And then a very neutral currently page, July. A very neutral monthly page. Very nice. I've never used a monthly, and I'm really curious to use this. I don't know how I would, though. Maybe for social media? I don't know. Daily tasks. Interesting. And the notes. Perfect. And then August, let your spirits soar. So I think what they're doing is that the pages, excuse me, themselves are very neutral, and then you've got really, really nice color, kind of a muted tone for all of the dividers. So I'll show you all of the dividers. I like the color scheme of that one. November, December. Feels weird to have purple in December. January, February, March, Stay Wild, Moonchild, Don't Ever Be Afraid to Dream, Do What You Love, Look at all the magic around you. Slow down and everything you are chasing will come and catch you. Free spirit. Ah. This one I think is my favorite color scheme out of everything. You've got November and December. And the final note page on the back. So that is the 18-month classic monthly layout. Next, I received one that says Always Wonder, and it's got kind of like the bronze plastic discs, and it is an 18-month color block layout from July 2021 to December 2022. So the inside, I almost feel like it's a very similar color scheme to either Caregiver or Biz Babe. Look at that. It's the year at a glance. Those pages. I don't know how I feel about like the lines being cut off. Some of you guys like the lines going all the way across. Some like them being cut off. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, every path you cross can change the direction of your life. So the only color is really down the middle of the monthly spread so far. But then you've got color. Well, duh, it's called the color block planner. So you've got a bit of color on here. And I'm going to check and see if the color is different for every month. So you've got kind of an orange, maybe. Yep, it'll be probably pink. So you've got pink down the middle, and then these will be pink. And then Enthusiasm. I think this could be good as a work planner as well, but I don't know. And then for September, you've got the black or the gray. Okay. I like it. Good. And then we go back to that brown. I really like the colors. It reminds me, is it minimalist that it's trying to, the colors? Let's see. And then we've got the dash or the divider for November. It does remind me of, no, Wellness Warrior. The colors of Wellness Warrior. I like that there's color, but it's also simple. Oops. You are going places. Focus on where you are going, not where you are currently. Ooh, that is a lot of foil. Shiny. And a good heart keeps you beautiful. Look at the bronze foil on that. And then December. And then the final notes page. Ooh, I love that. So that is the classic 18-month color block layout with the Always Wonder in the front. And then the last planner is this big vertical 18-month layout. I'm actually going to zoom out a little. Oh, no, that's zooming in. Okay, and I feel like it's going to be very similar to the previous one I just showed you. This is a vertical layout, but I look at the color of that disc. It's like a dark jade type of color. So you've got inside black. Sorry, the inside is black. Hello, this happy planner belongs to. There we go. Okay, I feel like it's gonna be neutral. For all you neutral people, this will be great for you. Magic begins within. Very neutral monthly page. And very neutral and thin lines for vertical as well. So you don't even have thick lines. They're very, very thin lines. And then you've got August. So I believe all of the monthly pages and the weekly pages are going to look exactly the same. So I won't take you through every page, but I will take you through every divider so you can see every divider. I think this is very similar to the mini. No, I didn't get this in the mini. This is very similar to the monthly layout. Yeah. Don't ever be afraid to dream. I love that it's like, it's so simple. It's paint splotches. Do what you love. Free spirit. Look at all the magic around you. She walked in, moon dust and stars were sprinkled in her hair. Love that. Yeah, so the dividers are very similar to the monthly layout in the monthly layout for the classic planner. All right, so those are, let's bring them out here. So there's the big, the classic monthly, the classic color block layout, and then the mini horizontal. So those are the planners that I received. Next we have the sticker book that I received, and then a whole bunch of accessories as well. So the first accessory, which I am super excited about, you guys all love that noise, but ASMR, are these snap-in soft planner covers. And I like the fact that there's no quotes on the front. The only quote is the happy planner symbol. And you can put this, where's the classic planner now? So basically snapping it in. Gosh, you know that because I'm, oh my God. I don't think I'd be like a very good demonstrator like on the Home Shopping Network. I'd be like the one struggling in the background. Ah, you know what? I'm gonna keep it on this. That is really pretty. Although it doesn't really match with the gold disc. So I might have to transfer it out onto the black discs. But look at how pretty that is and how neutral that makes that look. It's just, and it feels like such a sturdy, good cover for your planner. So that is the snap-in soft planner cover. Put that down here. And then I have an Undated fitness extension. So open that up here. So you get, with this, you obviously get the dates, and this is for 4 months. You get the monthly calendar pages, monthly prompts to focus your month, goal sheets, track your fitness with 4 months of weekly food and exercise logs. So you get the 4 dividers, and then that's what the monthly spread looks like. And then that is what the week looks like. This would be probably perfect for me because I redate mine all the time. Every single week I redate mine. I don't know if I'm a big fan of the colored lines, but we'll see. Yeah. I mean, the fact that it's undated is the thing that is appealing to me. And then it said it had, so that's there. And it said it had, oh, and then you've got the dot grid page there for, I guess, goal setting. Oh, I like the yellow. And these are all the dates that are included as well. So if you don't want to invest in a fitness planner, then this is actually a really good one. Or if you want to actually just buy this and have it start at any time, you can certainly go ahead and do that. And that's actually what I like about the Undated extension packs, is that you don't have to wait until July or January to start a new planner. You can start it at any time. The next one, I won't really take you through this one. I will leave a link up above here to the unboxing of the Be Happy box. This is basically the create your own sticker pack, and I love that I have 2 now because I do have sticker books that are falling apart, and it would be really great to keep it all in one like this. So create your own sticker pack, really, really great for sticker organization. Next are these snap-in sticker sheet protectors. I think, okay, I'm just looking. Okay, so you get, so it's a top loading, and you put the sticker sheet in here. I'm sure I have sticker sheets that are coming out. Okay, so let's look at my Joann's. So you have sticker sheets that, oh, wonderful. So that you can keep, or if you want to go traveling or whatever it is, and you want to keep like your, what is it? Your staple of stickers, your staple set of stickers with you. This is a great way to do that as well. I like that the Happy Planner are coming out with different ways of organizing your stickers. It's just a great way so that like you don't have tons and tons of sticker books, or you can certainly take your sticker books apart. Like this one is falling apart, and it's a great way to organize your stickers by category or however way you want them. So those are the snap-in sticker sheet protectors. Then we have, I love these, the stencils. Love, love, love the stencils. Always wanted this one. So this one is really hard to see, but basically you've got to do plan, today, now, start, bill, shop agenda, meeting, happy, game day, ooh, the @ symbol, vacation, party, list, pickup, live creatively, work out, and clean. So like you can basically trace these into your planner. And then this one, oh, this one's a favorite, and I'm glad that they brought it back. But look, the icons on the side are stars, hearts, or hexagons. Love that. That one, I really wanted to buy that, and I couldn't find it anywhere. And I'm so glad I got a set of that, because those lines in a vertical, oh, are everything. And last but not least, this sticker book. So this is the Work It Out Fitness sticker book. And I'll take you through a quick flip through of that. So that's basically the same, almost the same page, but with gold foil. Ooh, love this. I always love a sticker page like this. Go for a bike ride, rest day. But see, you guys know me, I don't really decorate my fitness planner with fitness stickers, but I'm sure I can incorporate these. Today's workout, today's goal, oh yeah, today's goal, class time. I don't have a class or a time, so you can always white that out. I use whiteout for everything. I love that there's so many of them though. This week at a glance. Oh, I like that. And that one goes along the sidebar. And then you've got dinner plans. Oh, lunch, dinner. Oh, I love that. So let's get a look there. Little tiny arrows. Oops. And then work out in the ombre. Personal best. Batch cook, meal prep. Oh, I'm so glad they included another sheet of this. That's my favorite. Work out. I feel like these go back to like the very first sticker books that Mambi and the Happy Planner ever put out. So those are all of the accessories that I received from the Happy Planner. Where's the soft cover? There we go. All right, guys, that is it for me. So those are the miscellaneous things that didn't have a specific collection that they belong to as part of the Happy Planner. And so that was 4 planners that I showed you, 1 sticker book, and all of the other accessories. All right, and I will leave an affiliate link below. These will be available on thehappyplanner.com as of March 4th. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.